Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Delightful Creations. I'm Amber. I'm so happy you're here today. Thank you so much to everybody who has recently subscribed and who has been subscribed for a long time to my channel. I have now reached over 500 and I'm super excited about this. Onward and upward, and I'm just so thankful to have all your support, and your comments really do encourage me to keep going and keep creating and crafting and making videos for you guys. It's been a wonderful journey, and so I want to give something back to you guys. So here are my giveaway or blessings regulations that I have. You have to be 18 or older. It is open to international. As long as I can ship to your country, I will ship to you. You need to email me your mailing address, and then just comment down below on this video one of your favorite recipes, and I just need the dish name. You don't have to write out like all the ingredients and the steps to make the recipe, but just give me the dish name. So one of my household favorites here is beef stroganoff. In fact, I just made that earlier this week, and it's something that everybody in the family likes, and we make it pretty much every month. So I will pick the winner on November 7th. And so what I wanted to do was go ahead and put a fox thing that I made last year. He's just been sitting on my desk, and it's too big for my fall journal this year and next year. And then this little fox journal cover thingy here too as well. You could use it for a big journal tag or whatever you want to do with him. I just thought I would include a couple things for fall since we're in November. And then I want to send off this recipe. That's why I had you list the recipe down below. This recipe journal that I made from the Dear Julie challenge last year or earlier this year. I can't remember now. This might have been January's challenge. Anyways, there is a full flip through of this journal on my channel, but I'll give you a quick look at the different pages here really quickly. We have some tabs. I've used a Dear Julie digital. And I think this is one of the pages from the digital that she had in her shop. It's got lots of fun interactive pieces. I actually used some junk in here. A lot of fun stuff. There's a little piece of oh my gosh, like tissue. I really had fun. A recipe book here, a little dangle for my tea. I mean, it was such a fun journal. And yeah, that's actually an envelope. I really... it's just going to sit on my desk because I'm not going to use it, and not my desk, but my journal shelf. And I figured instead of letting it sit there, somebody could be blessed and use it and maybe put their family's favorite recipes in here, or have other people add their recipe cards, and just have a really fun piece for Thanksgiving coming up, or the next year, or, whatever you would like to do with it. But for me, it's something that I won't use because I just... not about writing down my recipes, I guess. I just print them off and I stick them in my drawer. So anyways, this is what the giveaway is for my 500 subscribers. Thank you so much to everybody who has followed me. And I look forward to drawing the winner really soon, you guys. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.